Akusiyo into lensha ukuthi kuvele timbite tepolitiki emacaleni ebaholi beANC. Leli cala la Zuma likehluki eminyakeni lelishumi nesihlanu leyengcile. Emva yekuvela kwakhe enkantolo, baholi labanye bavame ukutsinza lokwenteka kutepolitiki ngaleso sikhathi. Ngemsombuluko ecaleni la Zuma lilunga lesigungu lesithoni yengene uvakalise kusekela amabhalane jikelele walenhlangano lomisiwe eyisimahashule ngekugceka lesinyathelo sekumisa.
The entire Secretary General of the organization is suspended. A Secretary General who was elected in a conference of branches. A Secretary General who was elected in a conference of branch delegates. The ANC has come to a point, comrades. The ANC has come to a point where the branches of the ANC must now speak and intervene.
Yengene uthi kungaboni ngasolinye kwaletinhlangano letimbili kulenhlangano kubonakala kude sisombululo.
In the movement today, there are very serious, irreconcilable differences, ideological differences. It's not factions. Yes, maybe there's an element of factionalism here and there, but fundamentally, we disagree ideologically.
Njengoba yengene nalabanye baholi balenhlangano banekungaboni ngasolinye, mengameli waphambili Jacob Zuma ucelela abaholi ukuthi bangalwe timbita tabo ngaleli cala labukene nalo.
Ngiyafisa ukuthi uma sizela ngoba sizosekela uZuma, sisekela uZuma, singenze okunye, ufuna ukuncenga ngoba lokho akunikeza isithunzi umbutho. Nabanye abantu abakude soba inhlekisa ukuthi sithi sizosupport uZuma la size sonke, kodwa mase silabe sesihlukanisana naphakathi. Leyo mpi yenu enifuna ukuyilwa kwezinye indawo iney'ndawo zayo. Ngifisa ukuthi singayilwi la. Ngiyanicela. Angifuni ngithi ngizela ngilindele ukusupportwa ngihambe sengijabhile. Ngiyanicela.
Njengoba Zuma axwayise ukuthi bantu beme kusebenzisa leli cala labukene nalo ekulweni timbita tabo talenhlangano nalokumiswa kwamabhalane jikelele walenhlangano samisiwe emsebentini eyisimahashule ukubeke ebaleni ukuthi uyolanza yonke iFree State itosekela Zuma.